In a bustling village, there lived a poor young artist named Lila. She had only one paintbrush and a few colors, but she dreamed of creating beautiful artwork. Despite her poverty, Lila was kind and always shared her art with others, brightening their days. One day, while walking through the forest, Lila found a mysterious, glowing paintbrush lying among the leaves. Curious, she picked it up and noticed a note attached. "This brush will bring your paintings to life, but only if you use it with a pure heart." Excited, Lila hurried back to her small home and began to paint. To her amazement, as she painted, her creations sprang off the canvas. Flowers bloomed in her garden, animals danced around her home, and even the village's broken fountain began to sparkle. Word of Lila's magical paintings spread, and people from neighboring towns came to see her work. One day, a wealthy merchant, envious of Lila's growing fame, visited her and offered to buy the magical paintbrush for a large sum of money. Lila, remembering the note's warning, politely refused. She continued to use the brush to help her village and improve the lives of those around her. The merchant, frustrated by her refusal, tried to steal the brush. But as he grabbed it, the paintbrush began to glow fiercely, and the merchant was suddenly covered in colorful, swirling patterns. The more he tried to wipe them off, the brighter and more intricate the patterns became. Seeing his predicament, Lila spoke kindly. "The brush reflects the heart of its user. It can't be controlled by greed." Realizing his mistake, the merchant apologized and promised to change his ways. He returned to his town and used his wealth to help others. Lila's village flourished, and she continued to use the magical paintbrush to bring joy and beauty into the world. She became known not only for her art, but also for her kindness and generosity. And so, the moral of the story is, true magic comes from using your gifts with a pure heart and sharing them selflessly with others.